Hello, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can reset the service indicator of a Volkswagen Scirocco. This one comes from 2016. After doing the service, changing the oil and filter, you need to reset it. And in this short video I'm going to show you how I can reset that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, it's Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, to reset we're going to use this area over here, the instrument cluster. There are two buttons on the left side and on the right side. For us it's important to use the 00 set button over here. First step is turn the ignition off, then press this button over here. Hold it pressed, turn the ignition back on. Then you'll see that it asks you to, if you want to reset the oil service, then we're going to use this button over here, the OK button. Once you have done that, the service indicator has been reset. Service reset, it says. Do the check by going through the menu. Go down, service, press OK, information about the service, and you'll see that the oil service is now due to 15,000 or 372 days. That was it on this video on how to reset the Volkswagen Scirocco 2016. I hope you enjoyed it and it helped you to reset your own car. Don't forget to subscribe and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.